How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 66 Chevy II Nova SS. This is a true 118 SS car done in a very slick Victory red. It's got the steel cowl hood. So all the bumpers been replaced, all the hood moldings. Looks like the original grille in excellent shape. Car's real straight down the sides. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got the 12-bolt posi rear. See the SS panel on the deck lid's the original. It's really nice. Rear bumpers all been redone. See the car's real straight down the sides. Got a set of 17-inch Krieger mags. Got a nicely built 355. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake, Holley carb. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's got your serpentine pulley kit. Just a really cool car. The jams are all real nice. Door panels all been replaced. It's got a I did it tilt steering column. Headliner's real nice and tight. Got a nice set of custom seats. It's like 4 bucket seats, 2 in front, 2 in the rear. Got power front driver's seat. Real comfortable seats. I believe they're out of a late model Mustang, it looks like. It's original panel car. It's all really good shape. They did a 2-inch wider wheel tub in it, so you could fit a big tire under the back. Just very nicely done. It's got a 9.5-inch wide wheel with a set of 275/40s on the rear. All the glass is tinted. Got AM/FM CD stereo in it. See all your AC vents and stuff there. Just a really cool car. Paintwork on the car is very nice. Been done a few years. Got nice cam and stuff in it. I'll tell you, nice strong running little 355. Got 350 turbo trans. backup light bulb out. that, it's just a good looking car. Tough little car. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.